left, right, left, right, left, right. Hey again, guys. I'm working out on these stairs. I enjoyed my workout here the other day so much. I'm back. You might be wondering, what does stair walking have to do with jumping rope? I say everything. A couple days ago, I was jumping rope with someone who's relatively new to jumping rope, and they were asking me for all sorts of advice. One thing they wanted to know was, how could they increase their skipping endurance? How could they jump rope for longer periods of time without either making mistakes, without stopping, or both? And I gave them a lot of advice, a lot of which I've covered in a previous video here, and I also gave them another piece of advice. One time during our workout, this person set their timer for 90 minutes. We were going to jump rope for a couple hours, and then at one point they set their timer for 90 minutes. So quite a long workout. We were taking rests as well. But then once this person set their timer for 90 minutes, I started jumping rope, and I never stopped until the clock rang. I didn't make any mistakes, and I skipped for the entire 1 hour and a half. And the person was asking, how did I do that? And I said, the time was inconsequential. I wasn't even thinking about the 90 minutes when I was jumping rope. I was focusing on doing one jump at a time, just like I'm doing these stairs, one stair at a time. Sometimes I'll take 2 stairs at a time or 3 stairs, but it's the same pattern, left, right, one foot after another. So I was focusing on doing one jump well. You do enough jumps repeatedly well, and soon that clock will ring, whatever the time is. So just like these stairs now, I'm not focused, I'm not worried about the top. I know if I keep putting one foot in front of the other, as long as I don't stop, eventually I'm going to reach the top. As long as you don't quit, you'll get to the top eventually. And whatever your top is in life, it's up to you to decide. As long as you don't stop, you'll get there.